have an assignment for Amazon EC2 Cloud Computing, and as we know, Amazon EC2 is Elastic Cloud Compute environment, which it's a web service that provides a recyclable computing environment. This helps us to eliminate the need for investing more in infrastructure, software, platforms, etc. So let's just start with the Amazon Web Services, having your account signed in.
So you know it says here the acceleration is 2.0. All their acceleration is 2.0.
And AWS Management Console, which shows us EC2, and here we have to create a new instance, and this is a Amazon machine image, which is a template that has different software configurations for operating systems, servers, and other applications. So here we can select our own operating system. Suppose if I'm going to select Ubuntu, and the next is micro instances. T1 micro is going to be the same. Then this configure instance details is going to be the same, and storage it has already provided us with 8 GB, and for now we don't need more. And the name of the instance that we want, that can be Amazon Lab, Amazon Cloud Lab. And here we can select a new security group or select our own if you have one, but I'll have to select a new one. So this is SSH, which will take 222. The TCP IP, we have to port 8080. Then we can add ICMP for pinging. It takes its own IP addresses that may be available, and HTTP with the port 80. And now, okay, so to do it anywhere, and I'm not providing any source, so I'll review and launch. So it shows what all things we have selected, and then we can click on launch. Here we have to have our new private key, new key pair. So I can give cloud lab key as the new key, which will be downloaded. We can have an existing key if we have previously done it. Then we can click on launch instance. So now it's getting launched. We can see it. The status shows pending, so that it will take time, like a minute, so that it gets to the status running. We can start the terminal till then. To run certain commands for the key, as we need to keep it private and have access to only the user. So we'll have to, as it is in the downloads, and then we can have SSH, chmod, change mode, the key name, just cloud. Okay, now we can SSH the instance by the key name, which is cloud. To add, and for this we'll need the public DNS, so it is still taking time. Okay, now it's done, so we can have the DNS address. that needs to be copied
Okay. So then it was.
and start.
Not sure. So what the solution? Yeah, that was already negative.
No, it's gotta be another.
So it's done.
Well, I did that. I added it.
So we have the Ubuntu terminal open. We can install whatever software or anything servers in this. So
Okay.
let's start if I'm thinking of doing Tomcat. So it will be that we have a certain commands for, as we know, for Ubuntu for installing Tomcat and Java and everything. So for Tomcat we need to install Java first. So let's just quickly do it after updating the so it is done, so now we can
I did.
Java.
Yeah, but she'll probably say like one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you,
Yeah. Okay.
so the main thing is this one, all we have to do is put summation.
Yeah.
Right? And then we list each one that and see summation of block. So yeah, that's it.
I mean, we'll be writing a lot.
Yeah. I don't think
I
the
find
test
it-
is gonna have three things, might have two.
Yeah, but I find it easier to go straight into equations.
Yeah, you don't need a chart.
Yeah, I don't need a chart. I
Because
find
you
it
can just think of it like this and that.
just look at it visually.
Look at it visually.
Because I feel like the table chart could confuse. Because then you're just like,
Because then this one we're thinking, wait, you go through and have a chart.
yeah.
Yeah.
So if you look at it, that's a good thing I looked at this. Okay, so the last one, right?
Right. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We'll do that. We'll talk.
What's wrong?
So it's basically like algebra.
Yeah. The third thing starts with 5, 6.
Yeah, about the RAM.
Oh yeah.
You should see that. So I probably have to go after that.
That's fine. Probably. I might not see it in time. It just depends on.
Yeah, no, let's just go with if it's just like this, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, so okay, so circular motion.
And then no, but then there's so the fully formed force.
Yeah.
There's just 2 things.
Yeah.
Like that. There's the one spin, which is like that. And then there's the circular motion.
Yeah.
So practice that one tonight.
Consider a projectile.
Yeah. Honestly, she gives you a hard problem, a projectile, economic equations on
Yeah,
it.
that's reasonable. Like you should straight handle myself. Like I mean, the algebra.
I mean, like, fire. Like, she'll give you like acceleration time and then initial
Okay, now it's done, so now we can install Tomcat.
velocity, initial velocity, find time. And then she has to find
Yeah. So there's not feedback.
Get 6.
Yeah, well,
This will take again Oh, little time.
Yeah, I watched her circular tissue because of this. Yeah.
But it's associated with university.
So now it shows the down cerebral has started.
Yeah. Yeah. And then you just rotate it out.
So we can check as we know that it lies in ETC directory. To see look at yeah. So it is. Let's just check if it runs on the terminal. So for that we need the public DNS of this. For instance. And the port number. Okay, so it shows that we have run the Tomcat server in cloud, Ubuntu operating systems, and I think this is how we run or install software is on the platforms or the OS which is being deployed on cloud. So this is the assignment for the Lab1.